Hi, I'm Seth Feinberg, Managing Editor of AccountingWEB. We are here on the first full day of Intuit's QuickBooks Connect conference. It's fifth year in the row for this conference. We are here on what's known as the Accountant's Day, here with Ariege, who is the accountant leader for Intuit. Now, today, Ariege, you brought up something interesting about your QBOA product, particularly a practice management feature. Obviously, there were some announcements made around it last year. How have practice management capabilities in QBOA evolved over the past year?
Yeah, we've made some really big announcements about practice management this morning, and it was so exciting to see the energy in the room and the positive receptiveness. Yeah, exactly, to all the work that was happening. There are a few things I'd share. So when we think about managing your practice, we think about two things. We think about getting work done, and we think about having that confidence that you're not going to miss anything, so tracking all your work. As it relates to getting your work done, one of the things that accounting professionals have told us is that in order for them to shift into the advisory role, they really need visibility into how their clients are performing. So we built job costing for the first time ever. So it combines the power of T-sheets for client employees to track their time, the power of payroll to get labor costs, and the power of QuickBooks to see how jobs are performing across the board for a job or project-based business.
And they see that in like a dashboard, correct?
You got it. Yeah, you've got a cross-client dashboard, or you can dig in, a cross-job dashboard, or you can dig into any one particular project and see what the breakdown is in terms of income, expenses, and ultimately profit associated with the job. So super, super exciting. That's one way we're helping accountants transition into the advisory role and get work done. The other side of managing your practice is keeping tabs of all the work that's happening across the firm. As you mentioned, we've got our practice management solution that thousands of accountants are using around the world. It's an awesome way to know what you got to get done at any given time, today, this week, this month. It's really got some powerful views. There were some big announcements today with practice management. The first is that we noticed that accountants spend a ton of time on email, up to 12 hours a week on email. And it's distracting. It pulls you away from whatever it is that you were getting done. You got it, yeah. But now with practice management, you can just forward an email that comes to you from a client over to QuickBooks. And we're going to use natural language processing to determine what within that email will require an action from you. And we'll automatically create tasks for you within our practice management solution so you can keep your focus and then come back to QuickBooks Online Accountant when you're ready to pick up the work. That's one thing that we did. Another one is we noticed that a lot of people who use practice management, they use it to request documents from their clients. Specifically, accountants are using it to request bank statements so that they can reconcile their client accounts. This can take up to 35% of an accounting professional's time.
That's surprising.
Just chasing your clients for the documents you need to get work done. So one of the things that we're really excited to announce is that we are working on automatically downloading bank statements for you so that when you go and reconcile an account on behalf of your client, you don't need to ask them for the bank statement. It's just there for you within QuickBooks.
Excellent. A lot of stuff coming. Thank you so much.